I just got back from school. I'm about to go over to the field and help them out. They've been over there all morning. It's pretty wet. I'm gonna go over there and see what mess I can get myself into. I'm just living life right now, you know, going to harvest sugar beets. I'll probably run the cart, the big green ginormous cart that's over here in the field, and because we're just pulling the trucks in the field right now because we don't have enough help to run the carts. We run the carts so that the field isn't getting so compacted with all the trucks driving on it that are loaded, and because imagine like 46 ton pressing down on the soil, and it's wet, so it's even worse. Wet conditions make it more compactable. We're trying to run the carts so they don't have to drive in the field, but
however, we are looking for a new front to begin to drift south and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning.
There's mud on the roads.
Begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon.
When you see that, just slow down, because we don't want anything to happen, and you don't want anything to happen either. I actually don't think that's even from us, because there's mud way up there. Here's our sugar beet field. I have some video of us spraying this from way earlier in the season, obviously, but these are the beets. These are the beets. Let's go see what everyone is doing out here. Oh wow, this is this is like our windmill lane, and we're pretty much destroying it, but it's fine. Windmills everywhere. Look at that, windmills everywhere, everywhere. I don't know what they're doing right now. The harvester isn't moving. They're probably digging it out. There's so much mud that you have to dig out the harvester, or else you'll start ruining crap, because it'll just wear on the mud, and the mud pushes up against the chains and other crap. So that's probably what they're doing. Holy crap, there's a lot of mud on this driveway, which is not good. Not good, folks. Alright, let's get going. Let's go down there.
70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks of Guam.
I think it holds like 40 ton. We actually tried selling this last year. So the big drives this thing, which puts the beets on this, and then this spins out. You control this, which fills this with the big wheel, comes up and fills that, and then that either goes into the truck, or if the truck gets full, you can just reverse it and it'll fall back into here. And yeah, that's basically it for this car. It's just really big and awkward to drive, I guess. But yeah, it saves us a lot of time and everything when we're opening up fields, so it comes in handy. Comes in clutch.
And in the Ponca City Blackwell area, 68 degrees today.
Holy crap. It is cold. It is freezing. It's like 41 degrees out and like 20 to 30 mile per hour winds today. And I'm just probably going to sit here until they need the cart, because I should probably, excuse you, I wish I could fly the drone, but it's too windy. Here's the beets before and after. You probably can't see the difference between what I'm doing. So then you come in and harvest those, obviously, but this is the machine that does it. And the new harvesters, the Ropa is one of them. It harvests, it beats the tops and harvests, so there's no need for this machine anymore until, well, there is until we get a Ropa, or a self-propelled harvester. So until then, this job will be here, and this, yeah, that's all it does is take them off. It's probably better for certain conditions, or like extreme conditions. It's raining right now, so that's fun. Or is it snow? I don't know. So this is how we open up our lands. We have a cart that'll drive down the beet rows. We have it set up so moved over so that it goes directly in the rows. This one follows this row, and then it'll go in the row next to it. And the other side we have it lined directly up so that it follows the rows. So then we can, up to the truck to dump it, close enough to dump, and there's not a tire in the way. And then this, when that gets full, we'll dump on the cart that I'm in. And once we just have this open, I can drive the cart or the truck down it, and we'll either have to pull the trucks or run these carts. So that's how this goes. When the harvester got full, we used to just back up the harvester and dump on like a cart or a truck, but this obviously makes it a lot further, so you don't have to back up every 100 feet or whatever it is, I don't know. But yeah, obviously you get a lot further with the big cart. I'm on my way out of the field. I gotta get to school and get an education. Thanks for watching this episode of Farmable. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you're thinking in the comments below. Alright, thanks. Thanks for watching. Ooh, my granola bar's in here from yesterday. Oh my god, this is a necessity. I literally eat granola bars at least 60 times a day. At Corey League. No sandwich, but I got a granola bar. Okay. Okay.